Everyone wants the glamorous remote jobs, the influencers, the travel vloggers. But you know what? The competition there is a nightmare. If you want to actually get hired in 2026, you need to look at the boring stuff. These are the jobs people don't even know exist, and they are paying a fortune. Let's dive in. Job 1, short-form strategist. First up, the short-form strategist. If you spend hours scrolling TikTok, you're already overqualified. You aren't filming or editing, you're the brains. You find the gold in long videos and tell editors exactly what will go viral. The pay, you can start at $48,000, but top-tier strategists pulling view-based bonuses are clearing $170,000. It's pure strategy, zero camera time. Job 2, customer service coordinator. Next is the customer service coordinator. Think of yourself as the AI babysitter. Companies use bots for the easy stuff, but when a customer gets frustrated, they need a human to jump in and save the sale. Average is about $65,000. It's a 10 out of 10 for growth because every business is currently trying to balance AI with human touch. Job 3, remote tech specialist number 3, the remote tech specialist. You're basically a digital handyman for small businesses. You help old school companies set up basic tools like Odoo for their invoicing. Roughly $60,000 a year. It's highly AI proof because, let's face it, the tech is easy. It's the people who need the help setting it up. Job 4, funeral sales specialist. This one is a bit morbid, but the funeral sales specialist is recession proof. You're helping families plan ahead to save them stress later. This is one of the highest on the list, starting at $75,000 and often breaking six figures. It's a 10 out of 10 for survivability because a robot will never be able to provide genuine human empathy. Job 5, statistics validator. Ever wonder who checks the 9 out of 10 dentist claims? That's a statistics validator. You fact-check marketing claims so companies don't get sued for millions. Entry level starts at $40,000, but you can charge huge bonuses per completed audit. If you have an analytical eye, this is a gold mine. Job 6, remote setter. If you're a people person, look into being a remote setter. You're the one sliding into DMs for big coaches or influencers, qualifying leads, and booking calls. Usually commission-based, ranging from $3,000 to $7,000 a month. It's basically sales light, all the upside, none of the high-pressure closing. Job 7, content risk reviewer. Finally, the content risk reviewer. With 720,000 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every day, brands are terrified of their ads showing up next to bad content. Around $80,000. It's a boring job of flagging videos, but it's 100% essential. Warning, you might see some weird stuff, but the job security is unmatched.